better. I don't see nobody no more.
You see them? They're in there?
Oh shit. Go, 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 go.
Get up, come on.
Go, Francisco, go, go, go. Go, go, go. There you go. Rich, go, 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 go. Clear, move up. Hey, I'm leaving my gun here. Aldo, move. Next.
Oh, we can't do it. We can't take it aside then.
Go, fat boy.
I'll leave here and go too. Go there next.
More pig, more pig.
Hey, hold on. Hey, stay low. Let me load up, hold on.
More pig.
See that?
Watch out, don't get ambushed right there all at once. Hold on, not everybody just go in there. Not everybody go in there. Don't everybody go in there.
Stay low, they're on the corner. They're in here. Back there, not right here, they're back there. Come on. Yeah, back there though. Right there. Go ahead, get up here. Somebody get up here. Hey, give me a boost. Give me a boost. Give me a boost.
I can't see. 2 seconds. All right, I got you. Go, 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 go.
Hey, come up, come up. Hey, whoever's dead, get out the way. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Go, 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 go.
Hey, bro, you got a grenade?
No.
Poor pig. Where's pig at? Where's more pig? Where's more pig? Watch out right there. Huh? What? No. They're shooting from the top? Hey, did I get shot from the top? Oh, okay, I'm good then. The fuck? Is that a rat? Look.
They are
on the corner. Hey, I'm reloading, guys. Fucking war pig left. War pig, we need his frag. I don't have no more. Did war pig throw his?
there's one right here that didn't go off.
I know war pigs didn't go off either. I mean, he did go off, but he didn't kill nobody. That one's mine. Hey, snap, 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 snap. You're good, Francisco. Move up, move up, move up, move up. Hit, hit, hit. Come on.
Hey, there's somebody in the fucking building inside there?
Hey, where's the bomb?
Watch out!
Looking for it. Boss,
Ah,
come on.
hold on.
Come on. Hey. Oh, sorry. Look, hold on. The shield, watch out, get that fool. The shield, open and shoot him, he's right there with the boat. Open. He moved, the shield was right there. Damn! You didn't beg me, bro. Sorry about that, dude.
Come on, friendly's all the way. Friendly.
Right here?
Yeah. Watch out. What out.
What do you got? 1911? Come on. Bang, bang. Yeah.
Watch it, straight ahead. You got AD pump. Straight ahead.
Look. Okay, now. Hey.
Oh, here.
Get him.
Where?
Guys, it's cool if you don't barricade it. That's against the rules. Don't barricade it.
Hey, behind me. Who's behind me? They're shooting him.
Now we have friendlies from behind you shooting at them too.
Hey, we got the judge. 90 seconds. We gotta blow up the yacht.
All right, hey, somebody hold this. I'm gonna go for the boat, the bomb.
Go. Come here. Shoot at them right now, right here, through the crack.
Open it fast.
Just go. 1, 2, 3, go.
I don't see anybody. Close again.
You hear all that shit?
Open it again.
All right, hold on.
don't see anything, dude. They're too. I think that they're not gonna move up for a little bit.
You got it covered? You guys got it covered on this side?
I think they would have. I think that they're outside or around. Hey, is the bus empty? Did we get the guy in the bus?
Hey, Juggy's our enemy now, guys. Where's the flag? Oh, sorry, bro. I thought you were the jug. Hey,